This is like a 12 by 18 box from Lebanon, New Jersey. And it is a not working power supply. $25. This is a result of consuming ethanol at night. And we have the magical packing chips. This was sold as a not working. You can see the power cord's been sort of hastily removed. But everything is there. It's had a hard life. So I guess the first thing to do is put a power cord on it and see what's wrong. So there's 8 screws, 4 front, 4 backwards. Oh my. I guess we work on it on its back. But it doesn't appear to have been worked on. I see 2 date codes. It's an 8211 on this little device here. 8010 here. And 8019 there. Now this is the power cord. This unit was made before IEC connectors were popular. And what we've got here is a strain relief. It wraps around the power cord. I'm going to unwrap it now. Here we go. These were very popular at one time, which results in the cord getting a definite kink in it. Then the whole thing is installed in a sort of oval with parallel sides hull. Okay, the big side goes to the outside. Put this back in here. Like that. Take this and put it up on top like this. We'll fit it in the hole and spread it back apart a little bit. That may be the cord that I used was slightly smaller than diameter, although I don't think so. So the cord I used is a European style, green, tan, and blue. And I'm replacing a white, black, and green. So green is green and blue is white. Okay, the front and back is grounded, and the bottom chassis is grounded. These side plates are not grounded. It's turned off. I'll plug it in. All right, both meters are showing voltage. I'm going to put the case all back together. While I was putting the case back together, I think this is a date code for the unit. Be early February 1983. And I discovered that these ends are plastic. So what we have here, I believe, is a single-ended power supply, positive, negative. This is a ground to earth, external earth. And this I believe to be a positive, negative halfway power supply. Right now the switches are both set to voltage. This voltage only goes from about 10 to 20 with a fine adjust. Not 10 turn pots. This one probably, it has an over voltage protection here and current limiting here. This one apparently is not current limited, or at least not adjustably current limited. On this dual output supply, the meter is switched from one side to the other, plus or minus. These are selection of current or volts for the panel meters. Here we have an adjustable over current protection, and here we have an adjustable over voltage protection. See, I tripped it even though there's no current flowing. I probably have to turn it down to reset it. I have to turn it back off. So I'll turn the over voltage protection the whole way up. If there is a problem, it's with this side. This should be adjustable at least to 6 volts. So perhaps I'll troubleshoot it and see what we can do about getting this to work. But before I powered it down, I might just see what the voltage is in case there's any high AC ripple on it. My bench meter actually reads 8.4 volts. So normally that would have been set to perhaps 5 volts. So it's in the metering circuit rather than in the power supply. Here, in that condition, (15.63), and up here 15.68. Should say negative 15.63. Yeah. So I saw a pod internally. I'll bet that adjusts these to be equal. So it's in the metering circuit. that's sort of interesting. It's not in the, I don't believe it to be in the power supply circuit.